Okay, this is going to be part 2 because I'm not redoing all that I already did. So I got the cam in there, and it's just some of these cams are pretty new, and they're kind of just tough to get on. This is one of the ones with the magnets. This is a fish. It's got a little bit of oil on it. So you just have to kind of line them up, and if you need to, you can use the lever to help get it on there. See, now it's on. And this is the fish. So what we're going to do the green cams, you have to have it on the green setting in the center here. And you want your width on 4 and your length on 6. Now it's going to do the fish. No, it's not, because I have to have it on cam. Now it's going to do the fish. And there's your fish. What's really cool too is it has a cycle control. So if you want to make one fish, you click that on and it slows it down and it stops it right at the end of the pattern. It's kind of neat. And it'll do one at a time. So if you lift up on the foot control and you push it down again, it'll make one more fish. Boop, done. And if you take the cycle control off, it just makes multiple fish in a line. So that's kind of a really neat feature. There's your fish, made by the cam. And now I'm going to take this cam out and we're going to put in one of the regular just orange cams. Take it out. Let's do one of these. It's a triple. And it's on, and put it back on cam. And this one, I'm going to do the length. Put this back on orange, and I'm going to pull in the length. So it'll be tight. Triple design again. And that is the convertible Kenmore model 1980. Close the top panel, all done.